And I just noticed there's another egg in the cage. She laid another egg. Hey beautiful city queens, welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Here's Faith and okay, Laurie. Today I just opened the cage. It's the next day. Anyway, look. This is her egg number 1. And I just noticed there's another egg in the cage. She laid another egg. Hi. Check this out. I'm going to take it out. Did you lay another egg? No way. Now there's 2 eggs. This is warm. Glory, I'm going to take your egg away. And it's not broken. Glory, we have to stop this behavior. You cannot lay eggs. That's a no-go. Guys, this is so warm. Glory, you have to stop laying eggs. That's not okay. You're gonna have calcium deficit. You have to eat today your oatmeal. I'm gonna put a lot of calcium in your oatmeal. Yeah, you're not getting your egg back. No. You have to stop that behavior. Glory? No, you have to sit again up on your perch, not on the floor. Aye. So guys, Glory lay another egg. Now we have 2 eggs. Aye. This is bad. And this egg is warm. Hyacinth macaws get maturity, sexual maturity with 7. Glory's 30. This is the first time in her life she's so happy that she's laying eggs. But I can't do anything with those eggs. So I'm gonna just put it down. And you see this egg? This egg? It's totally intact and it's warm. She just laid it freshly. So I need to do something. Come up, you little boy. Hi, you wanna go in your cage? Yeah? Cage. You too. Come on, darling girl. Go in your cage. Yeah. Good girl. Good boy. There we go. Okay, Glory. We're going to take you out and we're going to clean out her cage. Hey, hello. What are you doing? What are you doing, Glory? Super early in the morning. I wasn't thinking about vlogging, but I just got her out of her cage, and then there was another egg. Glory, why? I don't want you to get the calcium deficit. Why? What should we do? I'm gonna put her in my room on the swing, and I'll let her sit down, and I'm gonna clean out her cage and get rid of her nest and get rid of all her toys that kind of enhance her breeding behavior and her lay egg behavior. Laying eggs for birds is really bad because they can get calcium deficit and they can die. And this is already the 2nd egg. So I don't want anything happen to her. She needs her calcium. She needs to keep everything inside. I'm going to give her oatmeal and put a lot of good calcium in there and a lot of fruits. And I hope she can eat it. She's not a big fruit eater, but she does like a couple of fruits like bananas and melon. She does like those and apples. So I don't want to encourage her this egg laying behavior because it can have some health risks and I don't want to lose Glory. The thing that triggers this egg laying behavior is the weather. The weather is super warm right now in California. And she's super happy as well. So if the conditions are right, she's happy and it's warm and she feels secure, the bird starts laying egg. And yeah, she's happy and it's warm and she started laying egg. And I need to take away all her toys and everything. Yeah, I love you. I love you, Glory. Yeah. Guys, you have to see how she's sitting. She's so freaking cute. She's so cute, Glory. Hi. So I'm gonna put her in my room out of her cage to try to like stop this behavior. Right? What? Oh, what? You have to go party? Go party. Go party. Go party. Boop, boop. Good girl. So let's put her in the swing first, and then I'll clean up the cage. So these two toys here, these are the triggers that make Glory lay an egg, because you see, she would always feed them and she shake them, and somehow this was like a trigger for her. So I just took it out of the cage and I'm gonna dump this. Now I'm gonna feed her and make her a really nice warm oatmeal, give her some food with calcium. So I just made Glory some oatmeal right here. And this is the only way for Glory to consume calcium, because now I'm going to put calcium right here. And this is high-end minerals for Hyacinth macaws in the oatmeal. And this is the only way for her to eat and consume calcium. She's so picky, she won't eat it any other way if it's not in her oatmeal. She loves oatmeal. Her previous owner always gave her oatmeal, and he told me to give her oatmeal, and that's what she eats. She loves macadamia nuts, some fruits, and oatmeal. I'm gonna also add some apples and some plums. Let's put this in her cage. So now I'm gonna go back into my room and get Glory, and let me see her reaction, because we clean her cage, and hopefully she's gonna eat the calcium. Glory! Hello! Are you ready to come down? Come down, Glory. Come down. Hi! Were you screaming? You wanna go back in your cage? Come on. So everybody's hungry, so I have to feed the other birds too. But let me put Glory first in her cage. Hey, Glory. No. Good. All right, look around. Oh, she's looking for her egg. Everything is gone. Glory, I took it away. I took your egg away. I cleaned everything up. I took away your nest. Look at all the eggs. this point, I'm so happy that Glory right there is eating her oatmeal, because this is the only form for her to ingest some calcium and to get some calcium in her digestion, so she won't die of calcium deficit. So I'm gonna give also Love some oatmeal. He's also Hyacinth Macaw, and Hyacinth Macaw always stands a little low in calcium. So check this out. Oatmeal? You wanna come down? Not my favorite.
Moments later.
Oh no, she's feeding the macadamia nut. Gabby, it's food, it's not an egg. She's doing nesting behavior.
Later.
So guys, this is now 5 hours later. As you can see, Glory is perching. This is a good sign. I'm gonna spend more time with Glory. Hi, Glory. See, no more eggs. No more eggs. Can we cuddle? Come on, let's cuddle. Step up. Hi.
Much later.
So this was it. If you like this video, let me know. I'm gonna feed the other birds now. This house is so loud. Once I feed them, they are quiet, they are happy, they are full, they have full tummies. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I hope this will stop the egg laying behavior, because we don't want any other eggs, because I don't know what to do with it. So, and my next video, I'm gonna show you how to see if this egg is fertile or not fertile. Like and go check out Angelic Parrots. Go get my book, angelicparrots.com. I'll see you in the next episode of Carolin by Petzholdt. Bye.